All right, pull forward slowly.
Gate 1 is clear. Send the next one in.
again. The first step is the careful unloading of the raw materials. These precious crocodile hides The inspectors meticulously sort the hides by size and texture, ensuring only the finest quality moves to the next stage.
This one looks good. Check the next batch coming through.
Yep. The settings are holding steady.
In the drying chamber, every hide is carefully monitored to ensure the leather maintains its exquisite texture and color.
The dried crocodile hides are now being moved to the tanning department, the next crucial step in creating a luxury jacket.
The reading on the panel is slightly off. Adjust the flow.
Understood. Flow rate stabilized at 20 liters per minute.
This tactile assessment is how we guarantee the quality of the final product and ensure the leather is perfectly supple.
Keep the roller steady. We need to ensure the final rinse is perfect on this batch.
Understood. Pressure looks good.
After extensive tanning, these crocodile hides are finally ready for the dyeing process. This is where the color transformation begins.
The vibrancy of this emerald green is achieved through a specialized vat dyeing technique, ensuring consistency right into the creases of the scales.
check the thickness here.
Right at 2 millimeters. The elasticity is perfect.
The leather is now resting on these climate-controlled racks, allowing the oils to absorb fully during this critical stabilization phase.
The softness and pliability are perfect. This hide is approved for the cutting stage.
The automated cutting machines ensure every panel is sliced with extreme accuracy, minimizing waste of this precious hide.
Every millimeter of the hide is scrutinized. The alignment of the scales must be flawless before it moves to the next stage.
This is the stitching department, where the raw hides are transformed into a $30,000 jacket.
In the stitching hall, highly skilled artisans meticulously assemble the crocodile hides, beginning the transformation into a luxury jacket.
The strength of the seam is paramount. Each section is gently stretched to guarantee the integrity of this $30,000 piece. Every seam is meticulously checked for strength, a critical step before the jacket receives its final approval.
And now the true beauty of the crocodile hide is revealed as the jacket is carefully turned right side out.
The specialized sewing machine meticulously stitches the zipper, followed by the hydraulic press securing the internal hardware with absolute precision. The steam press gently molds the crocodile hide, ensuring the jacket maintains its precise contour and flawless finish. Here in the climate-controlled cooling room, the jackets are left to stabilize and lock in their final form before the next stage of production.
Check the symmetry on this lapel near the seam.
It's within tolerance. The alignment is perfect.
The scales match perfectly. The drape is exactly right.
Approved for finishing.
Here at the detail correction bench, every seam is scrutinized by our master artisans to ensure flawless precision.
Using these large rotary brushes, the artisans meticulously buff the scales.
We need to check the resistance right here at the hinge.
It meets the tensile strength requirement.
Under the spotlight, the true quality of the crocodile hide is revealed. This inspection guarantees the flawless finish of a luxury garment.
The dark browns are ready for inspection.
Excellent. Let's check the dorsal scales first. Symmetry is holding perfectly across the grain.
Confirmed. Template alignment is spot on. We can approve this section.
We use only the finest silk for the lining, inspecting every seam to ensure flawless alignment and comfort.
Each crocodile jacket must pass the rigorous quality standards before receiving this seal of approval.
In the dispatch center, the finished crocodile leather jackets await their journey to luxury boutiques worldwide. Inside the exotic leather factory, from crocodile hides to a $30,000 luxury jacket cap.
We begin with the raw material. The unique grain of the crocodile hide is meticulously inspected, ensuring
Inside the exotic leather factory, from crocodile hides to a $30,000 luxury jacket, the full process.
The final inspection is complete, Supervisor.
Excellent work, team. It's ready.